Hey there! Today we're making an origami horse. Even I'm tired of drawing now. So let's take a 15 to 15 sheet and then we're gonna fold it diagonally like a triangle over here. Okay, now we're gonna unfold the sheet and fold it diagonally from the other side too. Next, we're gonna unfold it, flip the sheet, press in the middle to make it stand, and then you're gonna fold it vertically like this. Okay, now we're gonna fold it half vertically like this. Then you're gonna unfold it, you're gonna flip the page, press in the center, and then we're gonna make a diamond. You're gonna again flip it, and then you're gonna make a diamond. As you can see, the lines over there, you can make a diamond like this, or let me tell you an easier technique. You can just flip the sheet and see a diamond shape on one of the sides. Press the other lines in like this and just press the top part down. There's our square. Okay, so now is our next step. We're gonna valley fold these two things to the line in the middle. Then I'm gonna fold the top corner down like this. Okay, then I'll unfold everything, and then here I hold my scissor. We're gonna take only one flap up like this, and then you're gonna cut it through the middle line. Cut it to the edge which we have folded. The line is over there, it's made. Okay, now you're gonna raise both of these upwards as much as possible. Okay, the next step is to fold these into half and make a point top. You're gonna fold all the four sides, but we've made still two. So fold these two sides. Make sure it gets a pointy edge at the top. Okay, it's done. Okay, now time to flip the page. Let's flip it. And then we're gonna do the same thing here too. You're gonna valley fold these two like this to the middle line. Both of them, the left and the right. And then we're gonna fold the top corner down as a triangle as we had folded in the previous one. Now you're going to unfold everything, take one flap up and just cut it to the middle line like this. After that, we're going to pull both of them to the top as much as possible. Make sure it lines with the before content, which is done. If it's not proper, you can align it like this. Just keep your fingers and then you can press it off. Okay, so now we're going to fold both of them in half as we did in the previous one, which we had folded and make a pointy edge as I told you before. Okay, now it's time to make it upside down. We have 4 legs of the horse, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this will be the tail and this will be the head. Okay, so let's fold the tail now. You're going to just fold a triangle over here like this. Then you're going to unfold it. Then I'm going to open to the back legs and then give it a fold like this. I'm going to fold it in the middle so it doesn't come out like that. And then you press it. Okay, so now let's make the head. The head is simple. It's like same as the tail. You just fold a small corner like this. Then you're going to open it up. Open the front legs up and then you're just gonna push the head from the top and then you're gonna press it inside like this. Okay, there's our horse, guys. Like, share and subscribe to Crazy Nandan and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.